50.
Wait, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Because we have filed an affidavit.
1 second. 50.
Because they had
Affidavit on behalf of petitioner.
yes.
Ah,
Because and just we made some small prayers in that. Because number one, what's happening is that they gave us a pen drive of the videos, but we didn't have a computer. Now they have handed over a computer, so that's all right.
to who?
The petitioner.
The detainee.
We didn't got the pen drive, we didn't have a computer, so we couldn't see the videos. We
Naturally.
requested them, so they've handed over a computer. Obviously, it will work, he'll be able. So that's not an issue. The other is, he had made certain notes which he wanted to. He had made certain notes on the detention, which he wanted to pass on to the lawyers. But those notes were not allowed to pass on to his wife, so therefore they couldn't be passed on to us. So whatever notes he prepares, at least that should be because he is entitled to assistance of lawyer, before the advisory board. So all that we want is that those notes that he prepares should be given to us so that the lawyer
Notes prepared by the detainee.
by the detainee. That's it.
Yes.
That
But my answer is yes. There is no difficulty. It can be given. Only one caveat, and it is my apprehension. Your lordships are aware of the law on detention. But delay in making representation is a ground. Normally, under the law and under the statute, it is the detainee who makes the representation. However, if anyone else wants to have the grounds, we have no difficulty. It may not be used as a ground for.
Now, what Mr. Sibal says, the detainee has prepared some notes.
Certainly.
He wants to exchange it to his wife.
so that they can come to us and for
I have no difficulty. I am not objecting. Only my lord caveat is that sometimes delay of 2 days in making representation is a valid ground, my lord, for challenging.
We will not express anything on that.
They may say that now because we were not permitted to give it to the wife, there was a delay in my right to make representation.
We will not say anything on that. We will say without prejudice to your rights. Raise all contentions.
No, my lord, that is my apprehension. That please clarify that this would not be used as a ground.
How can we preempt, Mr. Kushari? Please tell us. How can we say that you don't do this, you don't do that?
Then in that case, your lordships may say, though he has met his lawyer twice and had a legal consent.
Where is your affidavit?
Yes, kindly have a look at it. That though he has met his lawyer and his wife twice,
In fact,
however,
where is that affidavit? Please give the affidavit, sir. It is not uploaded.
oh, I am so sorry, my lord, I have the extra copy.
It is not in the records? Huh?
Lord, affidavit of R3.
Why? Find out from the registry why it is not in the registry.
it was filed last night at 11:30.
No.
Day before that.
No, your affidavit.
That's it.
Your affidavit is there.
This is
But
this is earlier affidavit. It should have been on record. Anyway, my lord, I have the copy.
All right.
My lord, R4's affidavit, my lord, that is the jailer's affidavit, because he would be knowing, my lord, who met whom.
So this is the affidavit filed present in the Deputy Commissioner, District Magistrate.
Yes. Please come to page 6, para D. R4. My lord, your lordships may see reply affidavit on behalf of R4, on behalf of the jailer.
Page number?
Page number 6, my lord. Para D. On 4/10/25, Sri Mustafa Haji, lawyer, and Sri so-and-so, the elder brother of the detainee, arrived at Central Jail, Jodhpur, around so-and-so, and were permitted to meet the detainee for a period of 1 year. From the, then, my lord, 13. Pertinently, the petitioner herself, Srimati so-and-so, along with another counsel, Sri so-and-so, visited the detainee on 7/10/25.
They are admitting that.
We are admitting this.
Listen, I am saying something else. But kindly look at it from my perspective. I am not objecting to that being granted.
All right.
So what happens is, I am the detainee. Lord, I have a right to make a representation on 10th. Your lordships are granting permission on 15th, permission to share this with the wife. He may say that because permission was not being granted unless the court intervened, there was a delay of 5 days. That may not be. He was having a legal consultation.
With respect, this is for us to challenge the grounds of detention. He's giving details to us.
So you are preparing a ground of detention by this.
By challenging the grounds that you have served on us.
Mr. Tushar Mehta, learned solicitor, why do you want to give food for thought for them?
No, my lord, this is a known fact.
Let it
There are several things which has happened, my lord, which are, my lord, attempts to create grounds of challenging, which I am resisting.
Anyway, I don't want to comment on that. Then the last thing is, Mother, we would like to amend the petition to challenge the detention.
Have you filed an application?
We'll file an application to amend the petition. Yes. So your lordships may allow us to do that. That's all, Mother. We are amending the petition because we've challenged
No, we'll file an application, we'll allow it, we'll consider and we'll pass appropriate orders. They have a right to,
Yes, then
We
the
heard of-
lordship may adjourn it so that, Mother, we'll file the application. There's no problem.
Lord, so far as this is concerned, I have no difficulty in it. Lord, amendment can't object the grounds which the detainee has prepared. He has consulted his lawyer twice. However, if he wants to share it additionally with his wife also, we have no objection.
share it, what?
He has prepared, he asked for laptop, that I can't write it down. I want laptop for the purpose of preparing my answers or my challenge to the grounds, which he wants to share with his wife. No difficulty.
So that is the notes which they are saying.
Notes, well, that's my lord, notes. So he had consultation with his lawyers twice, but additionally, if he wants to now share it with his wife, I have no difficulty.
Kapil Sibal, learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner will submit that the petitioner, that the detainee has prepared certain notes and the same is required to be shared with the petitioner, bracket wife. And as such, he prays for suitable directions being issued. Full stop. The learned, Sri Tushar Mehta, learned senior solicitor general, would fairly submit that they would have no qualms for sharing, for the detainee sharing the notes with his wife, bracket petitioner. However, any possible ground that may be urged in this regard is to be staved off. Full stop. At this stage, we are not expressing any opinion in that regard and keeping open the contention in that regard and placing the submission made by the learned Solicitor General. We direct this matter to be relisted. In fact,
Only one aspect.
One
aspect. Lordships are recording my statement. Two things. That twice he had legal consultation. Plus, please see page 9 of this application.
Right, it is there.
Kindly, for my satisfaction,
Yes.
look at page 9.
Yes.
This is not controversial. At this juncture, it is relevant to note that firstly, the detainee has never complained on this aspect since the detainee is aware that it is only the detainee who can make a representation. As a matter of fact, even the appearance of a legal, etc. So, but additionally, he wants to give it, but I have no difficulty.
The learned Solicitor General would also draw the attention of the court. The affidavit of, a reply affidavit of filed on behalf of respondent number 4 and in particular to paragraph 18, capital E. Full stop. Now, Mr. Sibal, you want to amend or now virtually?
Amend it, Mullah. I'll amend it.
Petition has become, the prayer in the petition is.
No, I'll amend it, Mullah, so that the matter can continue here.
The learned senior counsel appearing for the petitioner would also submit that in view of the subsequent developments,
Yes.
the petitioner proposes to amend the petition by filing necessary interlocutory application. Stop. Hence, at his request, release this matter on is what date?
Immediately after the case.
You, both of you, in common, you tell us.
No, any.
Immediately first week
Immediately
after,
after.
as soon as it's reopened.
No, since your lordships did not have the advantage of my affidavits, it seems, I must point out, on the advantage of my affidavit, it's my duty to point out as a state. Last time, my lord, apprehension was voiced that he may be directed to be given medication, may be directed to be
Sir, he is not pressing it.
Not because of my affidavit that those averments are false. Yes,
I don't want to.
he was medically examined. He said, I am not on any medication. I am getting proper.
This to be a, I don't know, Malaz, I may say many things, Malaz, about.
We also wish him a good health.
We also wish him a good health.
This kind of thing
But-
that it is false, not false, Malaz, if I tell you what.
Last time, my lord,
Exactly,
last
Malaz, the
time
lady
when
lands
thought
there,
was
the
created
lady lands at the airport.
that he is
police
not
say,
getting
"You
medication.
come and sit
not
in our
getting
car,
food."
there are white curtains in the car, they take in there, she doesn't allow to go anywhere, Malaz, this is not fair. Anyway, why should we get into this when I'm only asking for a limited prayer?
All
28th, Malaz,
28th, you have listed
is a Tuesday.
two matters.
We just amended the petition, that's all, Malaz.
So thereafter, we will have some time.
That's right, so
File a-
therefore as earlier so that you can file a
We'll
report.
have it on 29th.
23, very good.
29th.
Please, sir.
Obliged, deeply obliged.
Grateful.
Mr. Sibal, we will say that through, it should be furnished to her.
Then she has come to discuss with us.
Through that jail superintendent.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Right?
Obliged. Jail superintendent.
We,
Or some representative can go and take it. but not
No, no,
take it.
why? The point is she wants.
we will have the benefit of again
Maybe
seeing
want
him.
it out of the problem.
No, no, I'm just to
Through
facilitate.
jail
No, no, I know.
I'll correct you.
We'll facilitate ourselves. Thank you.
Please do that, sir. Obliged.
Lordship, on for the petitioner.